Hello everyone and welcome back to another episode of the Max AC channel. With the weather heating up once again, I thought we could spend some time highlighting another batch of ice cold drinks to cool off with on a hot summer day. So for the next couple of months, we will be taking a look at 9 more drink recipes that will surely be a hit at your next summer gathering. For this month, we will be doing our third round of Juicy June, where we'll be focusing on 5 different drinks that use fruit juices in their recipes. For this episode, we will be making some Strawberry Kiwi Smoothies. For this recipe, you will need 1 cup of fresh or frozen strawberries, 2 to 3 fresh or frozen kiwis, quarter cup of yogurt, half a cup of milk, 1 lime's worth of juice, and half a cup of ice cubes if you're using fresh fruit instead of frozen. And if you want to make this into a cocktail, you of course can mix this with some white rum, vodka, or tequila if you wish. And of course you will need a blender to blend your smoothie with. This will make about 1 to 2 servings, so adjust as needed. First we'll prepare the fruit, so if you're using fresh fruit, for the strawberries, save a couple for garnishing if you wish, and for the rest, cut out the stems and optionally cut these in half if desired. Then place these into a bowl or freezer bag. For the kiwi fruit, peel off the skin using a peeler or knife, cut out a couple of slices for garnish if desired, then cut out the tough stems and quarter these into pieces and place these in another bowl or freezer bag. You can make your smoothie right away by blending these with ice, but I recommend freezing your fruit pieces instead for a thicker, smoother texture. So place your prepared fruits into the freezer for a couple of hours up to 6 to 12 months. When you're ready to make your smoothies, grab your prepared or pre-frozen fruits and add them to the blender along with your yogurt, milk, lime juice, and alcohol if using, and ice if needed, and then, well, blend. If you wish, you may blend the fruits together at the same time, but if you want to have the layers separated into a two-tone drink, you may blend each fruit with half of the other ingredients separately to achieve your red strawberry and green kiwi layers. Then, once your smoothies are ready, pour your blended drink into your glasses and serve immediately, garnishing as desired, and with that, your strawberry kiwi smoothie is ready to drink. When I was trying to think of recipes to make this month, one fruit juice flavor combination that I wanted to highlight was the classic strawberry kiwi. I remember that when I was younger, I first tried this sweet and sour flavor combination by drinking a whole bunch of Capri Sun pouches. In addition to drinking these, another way I enjoyed this flavor combination was by freezing a whole bunch of these and making these drinks into a delicious frozen treat. And so, as an homage to this childhood favorite of mine, I thought it would be fun to make a delicious smoothie recipe with these two fruits. Smoothies are one of my favorite things to make during the summer, since fruits are very refreshing to consume, and with the drink being made from frozen fruits, the coolness of the drink makes it quite nice to enjoy on a hot summer day. I also really like smoothies since it's quite easy to modify a recipe to your liking. For instance, you could use high protein yogurt and or add in some protein powder to this to make it into a more nutritious drink while still having the strawberry kiwi flavor being prominent. This drink doesn't really last very long once you blend it up, since it'll start melting almost immediately, especially on a scorching hot day. But thankfully, once you have your fruits prepared, they will last a while in the freezer, so it's quite easy to just quickly throw the ingredients into a blender when you're craving a cool snack. And similar to the Capri Sun pouches, you could also instead refreeze the smoothie into popsicle molds and make this drink into a quick and easy frozen treat if you wish to enjoy your strawberry kiwi flavors by eating them. But regardless of if you drink your drink or eat your drink, this refreshing smoothie is a great way to enjoy the classic flavor pairing of the sweet and tart strawberries and kiwis that's quick and easy to make, so you can get back to enjoying your summer days, relaxing in the sun. Anyway, I hope you all enjoyed the video. In the comments below, let me know how it went if you decided to make it, and let me know if you have any questions or if there's anything you want me to make next. Like this video, share with your friends and family, and subscribe to or follow this channel for more episodes of the Max AC channel. And remember, if you want to stay cool in the kitchen, turn your AC to the max and watch the Max AC channel. And then, well, blend.